Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Price alert! Price alert! And here comes really quick video for people who are using full synthetic engine oil in their vehicles. From my videos you know I own Toyota Sequoia, which is using conventional 5W30. If you ever watch my other channel, which is called Auto Resource, you will know we also own Honda Ridgeline and we exclusively use full synthetic 5W20 Mobil 1 oil in it. And this 5-quart jug varies greatly in the price. It's somewhere between $39 all the way down to $28 at Walmart. Well, apparently we have a new kid in the town. Last week I discovered that Amazon is also selling full synthetic, in this case 5W20 oil. And if I compare the rating with that Mobil 1, right, this is high rating of SN, API service SN, and this Amazon actually gets SN Plus. And instead of $28, which I always paid for that Mobil 1, I was able to pay $19 for these 5 quarts and it was delivered to my house. I bought a bunch of those 5W20 and I also bought 0W20, but apparently they were not in stock, they were on back order and they will come in like 1 week. And of course I don't have any real world experience with it yet, it just arrived yesterday and all I could compare the fact and the ratings which are on the package. But I will use it in the cars as soon as I have opportunity and of course I will tell you about those results. Purpose of this video is only let you know about this incredible price bargain. I hope you found this video helpful and please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.